right, here's the recipe for this pork chop broccoli casserole. You'll need 1 package of 8 thin sliced pork chops, mozzarella cheese, Alfredo sauce and your favorite flavor. I used a 4 cheese, riced broccoli, olive oil, and also it's not in the picture, but a thing of plain pork rinds. For seasoning, you're going to need pink salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and then a fry pan, a cake pan, a 1 cupper, a half cupper, and a tablespoon. Now let's preheat our oven to 400, and while that's preheating, let's cook up our pork chops. In 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, add in your pork chops, and add over heavily pink salt, light pepper, light Italian seasoning, cover and let cook on a medium heat. While that's cooking, let's go ahead and heat up our riced broccoli in the microwave on 6 minutes. And then when your pork chops are ready to be flipped, go ahead and flip them. Add heavily pink salt, light pepper, light Italian seasoning again. Cover and let continue to cook. When the riced broccoli is done, go ahead and pour that into a cake pan. Add over a half a cup of the Alfredo sauce. Give it a good mix and then flatten it down in your cake pan. And then add heavily pink salt, light pepper. Let's add our cooked pork chops over the top of this. And crushed up pork rinds, 2 servings. Go ahead and stick this in the oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, pull it out, add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, stick it back in for 5 more minutes. Then pull it out and look at that beauty. Yum, yum. Now I made this into 2 servings at 18 carbs for the entire dish, which was 9 carbs a piece because I do 1 meal a day. But you could definitely make this into 3 servings if you're eating more than 1 meal, and then it would be 6 net carbs a serving. And this was delicious. My husband couldn't stop raving how good it was, so definitely give this a try. I added a 2 good yogurt with this for my 1 meal.